better than that. I think I'm a little deaf, but I can't do everything. Anyway, so I have the sheep. All I need now is the troll queen, Trolina, and then I can begin to take over Trollland, and I can start decorating this lair. I think a beautiful pink.
So Barbie, tell me this. You think you can take over Trollland?
Kenny, Ken, darling, Bobbit. When are you going to realise, darling, that me, Barbie, can do anything I want to, Sugar Plum? And if you decide to marry me, darling, you'd be out of that magical dungeon and we could rule the whole of Trollland together forever.
Marry you?
Yes, darling.
Really?
Yes,
I can be out forever?
yes, my beautiful little cat.
Should I marry her? I'd rather be locked up in this filthy dungeon than ever be married to you, Barbie.
Oh, Barbie, you'd rather wait for Cindy. We all know how much Ken loves Cindy.
Cindy! Oh! Who's ever heard of Ken and Cindy?
Me! I have.
It's always been Ken and Barbie. Always been Ken and Barbie. Enough of that. Now come here, all of you, darlings. Come here. P.P.A, Buster, come on. I need you to go to the troll land and capture the troll queen Trolina and bring her here to me.
By ourselves. It would never work by ourselves.
I'm getting such a headache, darlings, puppets. Not by ourselves. Take P.P.A and Buster with you, and make sure that when you capture her, excuse me. Are you listening to Mummy? Make sure you bring her here and lock her in the dungeon because, darlings, I don't like trolls.
Come on, let's go.
They're rather small, colourful, nasty. I don't like trolls. Excuse me? Do I look like a troll? I think you've got a bit doolally. I think you don't know what trolls look like, darlings. Do you? Exactly, they're ugly, darlings, and I'm the most beautiful thing on the planet.
Well, good luck with the trophy that, Barbie. Thank you very much. Because I know deep down in that little evil heart of yours, Barbie.
This little heart that
that
goes
little evil,
boom.
little heart right here.
I